Hello. Are you searching for unique, professional, and eye-catching custom t-shirt designs that stand out from the crowd? Look no further. With my creativity and attention to detail, I can transform your ideas into stunning designs that elevate your brand or personal style. What you'll get with my services: high-quality, transparent PNG files, 100% commercial rights for your design, quick revisions until you are completely satisfied, fully editable source files, free t-shirt mock-up for presentation or marketing. Why choose me? Creative and unique concepts. I specialize in original, captivating designs tailored to your needs. Friendly communication, easy, fast, and smooth interaction throughout the process. Unlimited revisions. Your satisfaction is my priority, and I'll refine the design until it's perfect. My expertise includes vintage and retro t-shirt designs, summer outdoor hiking and camping themes, fishing and veteran concepts, custom portrait illustration, unique typography designs, and much more. Let's create something amazing together. Send me a message on WhatsApp +880 173 779 5166, or please visit my portfolio. And let's get started.